this is our AC control knobs, and this is the fan regulator fan speed regulator, and this is the mode from this mode will throw the air to the only upside, and this is for both up and for the foots, and this is only for the foot, and this is for the defogger and the foot, and this is for the defogger, front defogger, and this is for the temperature, and this now it is on cool mode, and when we shift it to the right, then it will goes to the hot heater, all you can say. So here we come on the main point. This is the air circulation mode knob. So currently it is on air circulation recycle mode, and this is the air circulation which we came from outside. Now the air is coming from outside and go coming out of the tunnel now, and this is the tunnel from air circulation mode, that is recycle mode. So we have to always be checked that our air circulation mode on recycle mode, because it helps you to breathe fresh air, not harmful smoky airs. Thanks for watching this.